and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joe and today we are going to talk about how to make a karaoke system that uses YouTube music portable so that you can carry it around easily when going to karaoke parties with family and friends. And I'll also show you how to use the same system for watching movies anywhere and everywhere. Recently, my friend at work asked me if I can bring my karaoke system for her son's birthday party. And this is what happened. Let's watch this.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, held tied up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die.
Lost and lonely. Now you've given me the mood to survive.
Como la flor con tanto amor, me diste tú, se marchita.
Alright, isn't that so great that you can easily carry and use your karaoke and movie system anywhere? Whether it is to an outdoor event or to a friend or family's house, let me show you how to do this. In this video, we are going to cover a few things. First, we are going to unbox this M7 Full HD projector by AAXA Technologies. I will mention the key and very exciting features of this projector. I will show you how to use this projector to come up with a portable high-quality karaoke and movie system that you can easily carry and move around. Now, if you are new to this channel, please click subscribe now so you get notified whenever I publish new ideas and videos to enhance your karaoke entertainment experience at home. I will pause for a few seconds to get you a chance to click that subscribe and like buttons down below. Alright, we have a lot to cover, so let's get this started. First, let's unbox this M7 Full HD projector so we can see what's in the box. Alright, so first we have the user manual. This will be your full reference guide as to how to use this item. You will need this because I won't be able to cover all the uses of this projector in this video. And then we have a power adapter. Obviously, we'll use this to power up our projector. We also have a remote control, which is great to have. And finally, we have this M7 Full HD projector itself, which looks like high-tech, right? High quality, and to be honest, very exciting to have. This projector is on the higher end, meaning it is more advanced and has much better quality. It does cost a little more as well. This is listed on Amazon for about $490, but as usual with technology, the more money you put in, the better quality you get. It is the same in this case as well. Here are the key features of this projector. This projector is astoundingly bright. It delivers big screen projection at full HD resolution, and it is 4K 30 fps ready. perfect for outdoor theaters such as backyard movie nights. It features an ultra-vivid LED light source and electric focus adjustment. It also has impressive portability. It has a rechargeable battery that provides 3-hour runtime, and it can also work as a power bank to charge your devices anywhere you go. With this projector, you will never need to change the light source. It is designed to work up to 30,000 hours of use. That's basically almost endless. This is an all-in-one portable projector that features an onboard media player with USB and TF card ports and a loud premium speaker for direct media playback. You can also use the mirror technology or connect any device into it using HDMI, USB-C, and composite AV. At 2.9 pounds, its slim design allows it to fit nicely in your laptop bag or briefcase for travel and outdoor camping. Finally, this projector is perfect for business, home or outdoor use, and karaoke parties as well. It can deliver presentations with confidence or bring the cinema or karaoke home or outside. Remote electric focus offers better control over adjustments to ensure a crisp projection. Alright, so with all that being said, I am very excited to show you how to set up this projector and use this so that you can do the same at home. Now, this projector has multiple uses, right? The typical use of a projector is to project a presentation to a big screen for a group of people to see. That is all great, but that is so easy to set up, and you can easily read the user manual for that. So that is not our focus today, alright? In this video, like I said earlier, I will focus on how to use this projector to create a portable karaoke and movie system that you can carry anywhere you go. Alright, let's get to the setup part of this video. Here are the equipment or devices that you will be using in this setup. The first thing you need is a PA system. In most of my karaoke setup videos, you will see me use a karaoke mixer, right? But not on this one because this PA system will act both as our speaker and karaoke mixer. The next thing I need is a microphone or set of microphones. I'll be using wireless microphones with a microphone receiver. I'm also going to need a YouTube or movie player, right? This can be a mobile device, a smartphone, or a tablet. The device must be able to have a YouTube app for karaoke music or streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, etc. for watching a movie. In my case, I am using an iPad. The next gadget I need is the projector. Please note that you can use almost any portable projector that you may already have at home. Or you can buy this one and use this, the one that I just reviewed and unpacked. And we could use a projector screen on this setup, right? I will be using my pre-installed projector screen. You can use a wall like what I did earlier in this video, that would work as well. That eliminates the need to carry around a large TV or a portable projector screen. And the other option is to buy a portable projector screen that you can carry around and set up wherever you go. The next thing I need is a Lightning to HDMI digital AV adapter. Since I am using an Apple device, I need this one so I can send the video and audio signal from my Apple device into the projector. I will also need a 3.55mm auxiliary cable that looks like this. We use this cable to send the sound to the PA system from the projector. And finally, we will need an HDMI cable. We use an HDMI cable to send the signal from a YouTube player to the projector. So those are all the devices that we need. Now that we have seen all the devices needed, I will show you the step-by-step instructions on how to connect all these devices. First, as always, ensure that all devices that you are trying to connect are turned off for safety reasons. Let's start with the PA system, right? Like I said earlier, the PA system acts as our speaker and mixer because it comes with a powerful speaker system and it can take a video signal, audio, and vocals from different sources. The first thing that we want to do is connect the microphone receiver to the PA system. just like this. If you are using a wired microphone, just simply insert the one end of the microphone into the same slot. The next step is to connect the projector's audio out to the PA system so that the YouTube music is sent from the projector to the PA system. This can be done using the 3.55mm auxiliary cable. First, connect the one end of the cable to the audio out of the projector and connect the other end of the cable to the audio in of the PA system. The next step is to connect the iPhone to the projector so that the iPhone can feed the video and music into the projector. This is where I will need the Lightning to HDMI digital AV adapter. To accomplish this, insert this end of the adapter to the Apple device. Then take an HDMI cable and connect the one end of the cable into the adapter, just like this. Then connect the power cable into the Lightning to HDMI digital AV adapter, just like this. Then connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI in of the projector. Alright, now that we have connected everything, we can power up all the gadgets by connecting the power cords to all devices and pressing the on button as applicable. Once we are done with the setup, the portable karaoke system looks like this.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain.
Now that's the portable karaoke that we just created, right? If you want to watch a movie, you don't have to do anything else. All you need to do is open Netflix or YouTube or any streaming app and play the movie that you want to watch. Let's try this.
Now that everybody knows, you don't really have to hide or lie to people.
For the record, I never wanted to lie to you. Like, how do you tell someone that you're Spider-Man?
So you see the high quality of the projector.
I'm sorry.
It's very crisp, astoundingly bright, right? It's really a great movie experience at home if you're using this projector.
Revealed my identity, my entire life got screwed up. I was wondering if maybe you could make it so that he never did.
So that's it, you guys. What do you think? Please drop your thoughts and comments down below. Wouldn't it be awesome if you have this same system at home, right? If you are interested to buy this projector and the other devices that I'm using here, please check in the description below for the link to Amazon. Once you have all the devices and you have any questions about setting them up, please feel free to comment all of them down below and I will try to respond as soon as possible. I will help wherever I can and provide technical support all for free. Alright? The only thing I ask of you is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you are having a karaoke party at home, sing the karaoke songs and videos that I have in my Mabuhay Karaoke YouTube channel first before using any other channels. Enjoy and happy singing and watching a movie anywhere you go. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell. Thanks so much.